I'm doing a damage inspection on the garden since we had severe storms, tornado sirens, the whole deal come through here last night. I see my 2 lanterns have blown onto the ground from the table. And, oh, that's nice. Somebody's fireworks is here on our deck. I'm guessing it probably had landed on our roof on the 4th of July and was swept down by the storm. Over here, I moved many of the things that I was worried about right after the garden walk because rain was coming down. So these things were on the ground. And everything is like I left it. This hasn't been affected by last night's storm. Bike is still standing. Yeah. Things look fine here in the Mackinac Island garden. Let's go check elsewhere. I still need to move this chair back to the porch. Stratford Cottage garden is okay. None of these cobalt glass pieces fell. Again, I took my teapots inside right after the garden walk. And I covered my fairy gardens also. And it looks like they're still intact. The umbrellas haven't moved on this one. Yeah, one thing's fallen over. Aw, one of my sunflowers is down. I'll have to prop that up. Mrs. Green Beans has weathered it. Oh, this big sunflower is down too, blocking the path here. So that's another thing to prop up. It's still not too bad. The sunflowers in the wishy-washy washerwoman garden are bowed over. Well, let's go to the front. Well, here, most of the milkweed is bent over now. And of course, the hydrangeas. They have flopped down over their supports. Just too much rain pelting down on them. But overall, not bad.